So, your dishwasher just stopped mid-cycle, flashed some lights, and hit you with the Bosch dishwasher E20 error. Don't worry, let's walk through it together. The Bosch dishwasher E20 error usually means there's either an electrical short or an interruption in power supply. Think of it like your dishwasher saying, "Hey, I'm not getting the power, I need to do my job." This could be something simple, like a loose plug or tripped circuit breaker. Or, it might be more internal, like a wiring fault or a blown fuse inside the unit. First things first, unplug the dishwasher. Wait a few minutes, then plug it back in. Sometimes, a power reset is all it takes. Check your power outlet with another device to be sure it's working. If the error comes right back, it's time to look deeper. Behind the scenes, the E20 can also be triggered by damaged wiring or moisture affecting internal electronics. If you're handy, remove the side panel and look for obvious signs. Burnt wires, melted connectors, or signs of water leakage. Now's the time to use it to check for continuity across key components. Still stuck? This might be the point to bring in a technician. Electrical issues can get messy, and if it's a problem with the control board, it's better to get it handled professionally. Expect to pay around $100 to $180 for a typical Bosch dishwasher E20 repair, depending on what exactly needs fixing. So, that's the deal with the Bosch dishwasher E20 code. It's your machine waving a flag about its power supply. Catch it early, and you'll have your dishes sparkling again in no time.